So welcome to the inside of my Honda Civic Type R EP3. Today we're going to be installing this MJC Short Shifter. All you need is the Allen key that it actually comes with, and then mine's a 15 to get off the locking nut underneath the gear knob. Let's start by getting the gear knob off to get this panel off so we can actually get to the gear shifter's assembly. Cool, so now that's off, we can pull this panel out. Just got to be careful not to ruin the clips or anything, but it should pop out pretty easily. There we go, so then once you pull it forward, there'll be two cables, one connecting to the cigarette lighter and one connecting to the hazard light, so pull those out. Nice, so this should just pop off like that, nice and easy, so just move this out of the way. And then this leaves us with the area that we are looking to work in. Basically we're going to be popping this piece off in here. We'll pop that off and then that should reveal a little plastic grommet, and then we pull that off, attach it to the short shifter and then install the short shifter. So just pop that plastic piece off and it then reveals this little plastic grommet piece that we need to get out.
One eternity later.
So after, I think it's been 2 or 3 hours, my best advice would be don't drop this little bit. Don't drop it, because if you do and it goes where mine did, you'll have to take out the entire center console, all of the compartments and everything. I've completely pulled this car apart. Absolutely everything. It is, oh my god. So now I finally got that bit back. I can put this car back together and now I can install the short shifter, because god blimey. Okay, so we're finally back. It is obviously nearly dark, so better get on with this quick. So basically what you've got to do, you have to put that plastic bit that I went searching for, that goes on here. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so here's the plastic bit. This just goes on here. There we go. Cool, so that moves around. Back inside the car. So now we're back inside the car with this, ready with the ball. I just need to take off the Allen bolts on the side, so there's 4 of them. Cool, so now we've got those off, this bit obviously comes apart from here, and then we basically just install it in. So as you can see, this bit just goes just in here, slides in there. I just need to hit it a couple of times to get it in the right place. Right, so I've ended up using a soft hammer. I'm basically tapping this from this side, push until it goes in.
12 seconds later.
Well, that looks like it's in anyway. So as you can see, there's that bit just sliding in perfectly right there. Now all we need to do is screw this plate back on using the Allen bolts, and then pop that little thing on. Right, so just getting these Allen bolts in. Just starting the thread on with every single one of them. Right, so it's properly getting dark now, so I had to put a light in, but there is the short shifter in with all those Allen bolts tightened up. So now it's time to just clip it on the little plastic bit, and then it's done.
A few moments later.
So here it is installed. So now it's time to get this piece back on, and then it's completely done. Cool. There we go. So cool. Yeah, definitely, obviously shorter. So there it is. There is the elongated version of installing a short shifter into your car. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're into this sort of content, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.